Hi there, we're Getfloorplan, your partner in real estate visualization. We help you sell properties faster by turning listings into powerful visual experiences that grab attention and build trust. Want to try a demo? Leave your email in the comments and we'll get in touch, or fill out the demo form on our website. Forget about empty showings and wasted time. Today, clients make decisions before ever stepping inside, if you present the property the right way. Visuals from Getfloorplan deliver a professional, emotional, and effective showcase of real estate. For new clients, use promo code GETSTART for 35% off your first order. Here is what you get: 2D floor plans, clear layouts for listings, catalogs, and documentation. 3D floor plans, a visual feel of the space with that "I can see myself here" effect. 360-degree tours, remote viewings without missing a detail. Full immersion, no visit needed. Photorealistic renderings, premium visuals perfect for ads, presentations, and high-end properties. The result? Fewer questions, more trust, and faster sales. Getfloorplan, visualization that drives sales.